we're gonna go 3M. Move on to the next fender. All right, so the next fender we're gonna do is the one that lines up with the door on underneath the gas can. You can see right there, lines up perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and get the bracket first. Take off the 3M. Now that that's on, we'll get the fender and attach it on. Try to line it up in there, and then clip it in, and take off the 3M. There you go. And then after you have this one on, if you want, open the door up again, test it out. And there you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the backs of the fenders. Same process. Make sure to clean this area off. We'll line it up to the bottom right there and attach.